I think learning equations without doing algebra is quite a nice way of doing it. Basically, my challenge to you is, can you solve this equation? Let's have a look at it. Pause the video, have a go in your own time if you like. Oh, x must be 6, because 5 plus 6 is 11. So you might write x equals 6 if you wanted to say, oh look, I know what x is. Let's do a second example. Just going to do one, just do a couple more, that's all. Pause the video if you like, have a bit of a think. Something plus 1 is 21, because I'm just going to think about the things that, if you've seen my other videos, you might have seen me talk about things before. This is one thing in the equation. Oh, so that must be 20. So 20 is 2x. Oh, so x, that must just be 10, yeah? Let me just do that in another colour, and I'll go up here. Do you know, this is horrible, because there's too much writing. I'm just going to undo some of this writing. So you might have understood that, but I'm just going to explain it another way. So that looks like it's 20. So 2 times something is 20. Oh, so that'd be 10. So x is 10. Just to say one more thing. Does this feel very difficult? If it does, it's because it's a two-step process, and if you're learning something for the first time, sometimes a two-step process is too difficult. So maybe you just accept you want to do simpler equations to start off with. Right, let's do another one. It's another two-step. Pause the video if you like. Something divided by 5 is 10. So that would be 50. Which means what's x? Have a think. X must be 49, because that would make the top equal to 50. Thanks for watching.